Why is it said that the speed of light limits us from ever seeing the true appearance of the universe? Initially, people generally believed that since light is everywhere, it could reach any location instantaneously and did not require time to travel. However, in 1676, astronomer Ola Roma discovered through observing the phenomena of Jupiter and its moon Io that their periods would change with the distance from Earth. Through extensive calculations, it was shown that light speed is finite, not infinite. This marked the start of a new era in human research on light speed. In 1729, British astronomer James Bradley showed that light speed is finite by observing stellar aberration. He calculated it takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds for light to travel from the Sun to Earth. In other words, the Sun we see every day is actually how it looked 8 minutes ago. It wasn't until the 20th century that scientists, using high-precision laser interferometry, finally measured the speed of light accurately as approximately 300,000 kilometers per second. This value is not just a key constant for describing space-time structure in the universe, but it also defines a light year, the distance light travels in a vacuum in a year. This means that when we gaze at the starry sky, the countless stars we see are actually images from the past. To explain this phenomenon more intuitively, let's assume a supernova explosion occurs in a distant part of the universe far from Earth. The light emitted from this explosion would not affect us in any way until it reaches Earth, and we would have no knowledge of the explosion until then. Only when the light reaches Earth can we see this explosion event, which is the causality principle of classical physics. In other words, when one event triggers another, they are both subject to the limitation of the speed of light, such as the pillars of creation, located 6,500 light-years away from Earth. Inside, innumerable young stars are eagerly waiting to be born, and they reflect a multitude of vibrant colors beneath the expansive cover of vast clouds of gas. This is the magnificent scene we are privileged to witness today. It is actually how it looked 6,500 years ago. According to scientists' estimates, about 6,000 years ago, there was a powerful supernova explosion near the pillars of creation, and the resulting shockwave destroyed the pillars of creation. Nevertheless, the light that it emitted continues its journey through the vast universe, enabling us to observe its past splendor. His current true state is unknown. The farthest galaxy observed by humans so far, HD, is approximately 13.5 billion light-years away from Earth. In other words, it was formed shortly after the Big Bang, 13.8 billion years ago, although this discovery provides valuable insights into the origin and evolution of the universe. But it's exactly because of the speed of light's limit that this old galaxy is hidden deep in the universe, making it impossible for us to see its true look now. In the future, with ongoing scientific breakthroughs, we might find ways to go beyond the speed of light limit to explore the universe's ultimate mysteries, but until then, we're stuck in the time prison of the speed of light. We can only use past universe info, trying to piece together what we think is the universe's picture,